Girls are actually into toxic men who treats them shit. Sharp, Mr. Sharp, something Thomas Sharp.
Thomas Sharp.
I think it is a very toxic generation.
अरे क्वेश्चन ही नहीं पूछा.
Season 2.
I got this.
Oh God. Look at Simon. Where is your fan? Give me the fan. Like, oh my God.
Reaction.
Oh.
We want Simon back.
Okay, let's just start this scandalous show now. Dear gentle viewers, sorry. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and welcome to the very first episode of
Pringles! So, this is a space where we talk about love, work, pop culture, and overthinking.
And the things we should have kept in our group chat.
Exactly.
Basically no rules, only opinions and only fun.
So, this is our very first episode where we are going to talk about something close to our heart.
And emotionally damaging as well.
Exactly.
So today's topic is
Bridgerton!
So guys, why do you think that Bridgerton is, a very that kind of a show that everyone is just talking about and cannot stop watching? Like I personally cannot stop watching.
I think it's more of like that. It's a very soft romance, pretty people, and emotionally damaging for everyone. So that's why I think we all love.
Yeah, because the moment I started watching Bridgerton, it's like I'm not that girly.
Yeah.
No,
it's not that
like
girly.
it's not a yeah, but the moment I watched of their episodes and like the way they worn their gowns and everything, it was so beautiful. I just felt like I should order a corset dress.
You
for
also
the-
want to
Yeah.
dress up like that.
Yeah.
I personally feel that whenever I watch that show, I just it just creates some unexpected expectations. Like me being a very Gen Z
For
person,
love.
yeah, I also want that kind of old school love where men are actually menning, and today
What?
men are not menning
But-
that much, and
That
this
is not
is just-
possible in today's generation.
yeah. So I think
Especially
so-
for Gen Zs, I would say.
Yeah.
Then what's the basic difference like in Bridgerton guys and in today's 2026 guys?
they do stuff well, like which. So basically,
They were just
some-
staring.
girls are also swearing, no. So basically, if I am a girl, I want my man to do some work for me, to actually chase me and to do some romantic gestures for me, because see, I am working, I have a different life, so everywhere I'm just fighting with everyone, like you have an internal battle with everyone else.
Yeah.
So there should be a place with my man that okay, I can also feel like a baby sometimes, like like a calm space. But
Okay.
nowadays, because of
Guys,
this Gen Z,
please
It's
take
more
notes.
of that ki,
Gen Z.
people should understand you.
yeah. So so coming to my point, so now the Gen Z men are like ki, okay, they want to get princess treatment. They like, I have to be the mother of everything.
I
like
think we can't
this is-
categorize in that way.
I feel
Gen
men are-
Z, modern, मतलब I think everyone is like
हर
that.
I think
हर
there's
type
हर
होता है,
type
हर
के
different type होता है.
लड़के
Yes.
हैं. I think some guys they can't be more expressive with
हाँ.
they can't give you like they are not good at giving you surprises.
yeah.
They're like because लड़कियों का क्या है
minimum.
we love giving surprises. We we can host a birthday surprise party or
we
something.
go on board.
on
Yeah.
board. But if you are expecting a guy to do that, हाँ बहुत सारे हैं जो surprises देते हैं, बहुत सारे हैं जो उनको feel होता है
उनको
क्या
पसंद नहीं
करे हमें नहीं
हाँ.
पसंद. So let's take her for a
Because-
shopping. Let's give her something that she wants to buy ऐसा.
Yeah, true. So that is what I think Bridgerton men are doing. They are just, working towards her. Like they will not get shy away from the responsibilities
Yeah, true
they
that.
have to fulfill. They are a true gentleman.
But
Okay,
their
they will
end goal
open
was
that.
that marriage only, right?
Yeah.
So obviously,
Today is
वो
not
mindset
marriage.
to
Today
both
is
have.
casual.
Yeah.
Today nowadays people don't want to marry.
Yeah, that is true.
That is true. Even अगर हम लड़कियों का भी देखें like if I watch the Bridgerton girls, they are like, they have a mindset of like,
They want to create a family.
when I get into a certain age, I'll be going to that ball parties. I'll be like looking for a husband, and
True
then
that.
I'll be having a family. I'll be
Yeah.
having kids, and there's no
Entering the
and-
society
yeah.
and just starting.
yeah.
your
But
life.
in
I
today's
think in
generation,
that way, Eloise is way much better because उसका कुछ end goal marriage नहीं था.
yeah.
yeah.
She was a
we
different
yeah we
personality.
saw different personality ladies as well. If I talk about Kate,
Yeah.
she was portraying herself as a very independent woman.
She was a very strong personality.
Yeah, and there was another one,
Kate, Penelope is
itself.
she is the lady Whistledown, and she has actually in season 3 she has wonderfully explained how feminism and how important it is for a woman to work and to work for her rights. She never actually gave up her name to anyone else. She fought for her name, and that is what basically I think feminism and
Feminism.
true independent
Power,
woman
power. I
yeah,
would say.
true independent woman is about.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right.
Because Daphne was a very soft character, I would say. She was not something like वो feminism वाला character नहीं था.
Yeah.
वो सिर्फ Kate में था.
She just want to get
Eloise,
married. She
Kate,
wants to have a family,
Family.
kids.
Yeah. She was just
Even
like that.
Francesca was one of
Fran-
those people.
Francesca,
Okay, I'm
yeah.
entering the society. I met a boy and I'll be done.
So now, who you guys think it's the hottest guy?
Anthony for
Anthony
sure.
for sure.
Anthony.
Even
The
favorite,
sexiest man alive.
Yeah. Even
Yeah.
my favorite couple was Anthony.
Do you
and
know
Kate.
he's gay?
What?
What?
You don't know Anthony is gay?
No.
In real life?
Oh my
Oh
god,
God.
that's a heartbreaking girl.
Bro.
So basically Anthony like in real life he's gay and
What is shocking here?
he's the most
And-
sexiest guy
He-
alive
yeah.
and he is gay and
In
he's breaking.
2025, he was awarded
I mean,
to
in
be
the
a
whole-
most
yeah.
sexiest guy.
And he is breaking
General
everyone's
knowledge
heart.
missing है. Kate and Anthony was the best. I mean, my favorite couple was Kate and Anthony. एक वो
Obviously.
मोमेंट भी था जब एंथनी ने केट को कन्फेस किया था.
You
You are the bane of my existence. Oh my god, that is so dramatic.
And even in first episode as well, when Simon and Daphne they went to meet the queen,
Yeah.
then
Yeah.
the way Simon
Confessed.
confessed it, that he told that to meet a beautiful woman is one thing, but to meet a best friend in the beautiful woman is something entirely apart.
Exactly.
And which
Exactly.
I strongly believe.
Yeah.
You know, for any foundation of relationship, I
Friendship.
feel friendship is the core.
Yeah, every
True that.
relationship has to
Has to
have friendship in it so that people can understand each
Yeah.
other better.
Look at Penelope and
Colin.
Colin. as well.
Colin.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They were.
good. I think for
But Colin took 3 seasons
To realize.
to realize that
Is-
and fell in love with Penelope. Why?
and to change the whole attire of
Exactly.
a dressing up. I think basically they were just children. If you see the ages, so when they come
Yeah,
into society,
yeah,
it's 18. So according to my theory, Colin should be 21, 22 when he got
Huh.
married, and he just had a trip, and then I think from season 3 starting, he was in love with Penelope. Yeah.
Yeah,
but
but he couldn't realize.
He
that.
couldn't realize it.
What kind of relationship would you prefer? Like a toxic kind of a relationship, or a sweet, romantic, like a Bridgerton guy relationship?
I think it's not about toxic or maybe sweet as well. It's about calm and peace. I mean, a relationship should be something जिसमें आपको एक वो peace मिल रहा है, peace of mind मिल रहा है.
Right.
So I think that is important.
Or something like you are very open to your partner. You
Exactly.
don't have to hide anything.
Yeah,
It's
right.
like if my partner knows me in and out, I don't have to be, I can be unfiltered with him.
Obviously.
It's like he knows my weaknesses, my strong points, where I get this, what do you call it? He can handle my mood swings
Moods,
and
ups and
everything,
downs,
ups
yeah.
and downs and all. So,
because वो calm और peace बहुत important होता है.
yeah.
And I don't know ये toxic word अभी use हो रहा है बहुत recently.
Yeah.
इससे पहले ये toxic word मैंने
Because
कभी नहीं सुना
girls
था.
are actually into toxic men who
Exactly.
treats them shit.
Even
like-
men are also toxic.
Toxic girls. See, so
ऐसा
I
नहीं है.
think it
We
is a very
can't-
toxic
We can't just
generation.
generalize men into that.
And there are some people who says we love some Kaleshi औरत.
yeah, वही तो.
Exactly.
कलेश
Oh
चाहिए
my
उनको life
Oh
में.
my god. So I think this generation is broken. they don't even understand the true meaning of love.
I think
What
तभी
is true
Bridgerton
love?
कुछ ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगा है लोगों को अभी.
Yeah, मुझे तो बहुत ज़्यादा लगा है because I want men who can open the door and do small things for girls.
Okay, who was your favorite actor?
Anthony,
Anthony है हर जगह.
everything
Anthony है.
is Anthony.
And yours?
Anthony's Fred. I would say, though for first season I like Simon, but although he didn't
He was
continue,
hot, actually.
yeah, he
Simon was
he
hot.
was
Was really
Simon
good.
was
And that moment वो I think rain वाला moment था.
When Daphne confessed
Yeah.
to Anthony, it
Yeah.
was
That
hot.
moment.
But I though like when they were talking about like did you touch yourself? Okay, and Daphne is clueless.
no.
Okay, where to touch myself? And she's like,
And
okay,
that moment when she realized.
yeah, that was good. And on their wedding night, Simon asked Daphne ki, when I
Did
told
you
you
touch
to, did
yourself?
you touch yourself? It was hilarious
It was very
plus
awkward.
sexy.
Yeah.
I felt a very awkward tension of like a awkward hotness at
Yeah.
that moment. I was like, okay, what am I watching?
Yeah.
But
It was very hot.
yeah.
I mean, their relationship was actually hot.
But would you?
Anthony and Kate के बाद तो it was.
yeah,
Simon
who
and
would be the hottest couple? Like hottest couple, both of them.
Kate.
Kate and
Kate.
Anthony. Yeah.
Okay.
यार उनका ड्रेसिंग सेंस भी मतलब केट का तो जो
Yeah.
ड्रेसिंग सेंस चेंज हुआ था एकदम से
After marriage, so she
after
has.
marriage oh
Oh
god
god, season
Huh.
3 में they were looking good, and now
Very
they are
hot.
gonna have the.
Because I think because this sister, she wants her sister to get married, so
Yeah,
they
पहले
kept
तो
her gown very in a subtle
Exactly.
way.
very subtle
But as soon as she got married and she was the main character, oh my god, her dressing, her makeup, her hairstyle as well
Best.
also
Yeah.
changed.
Actually, she looked like a
Queen.
Powerful,
powerful
yeah.
queen.
White
Queen as well.
countenance.
Like, yeah.
let's talk about Queen now
Oh my god.
यार उसके तो इतने struggles थे god
So the series of Queen Charlotte is actually it is emotional
It is
damaging, I
emotional.
would say.
Yeah.
Ki, like whenever I watch it or even think about it, I just get so much emotional that oh my god, like it is pure love. Like they
I mean
both
she
love.
sacrificed a lot
Yeah. For love.
yeah
And still
but-
if you
and
see
still, yeah.
in Bridgerton seasons when King George just comes and he's like, okay, you have killed my daughter, and the Queen Charlotte is like you can see the sadness in her face, and she's
Yeah.
like, okay, let it be, because obviously she knows what is wrong with the King
but
George.
I think उसने वो कभी show नहीं किया है
Yeah.
there is so much sadness inside her
Yeah.
वो कभी भी show नहीं है उसने
I
That
love
is-
that character. Okay, who's the most irritating character, would you say, in the show?
Edwina.
Edwina.
I don't like
oh God,
her.
her face I mean बहुत कुछ irritating है
I
उसके
felt like
face में.
she's pretending to be too sweet.
Yeah,
Too much
yeah, fakeness.
Fakeness.
Yeah.
She looked like a bitch to me.
Because even Daphne
very
was very
honest.
natural.
Yeah.
I liked her character.
Yeah.
She was like, although her character portrayed as like she wants to get married, she have to look for a husband. But like
Yeah.
it was looking very natural. But with Edwina, it was like
It was fake.
Fake.
fake. She was
Even
like being too
Cassandra
sweet.
was a bit मतलब bit fake and everything but still वो मेरे को फिर भी अच्छी लगती
But
है।
उसका
लेकिन
character ही
Edwina-
उस हिसाब से बनाया गया ना,
Yeah,
like she
Edwina
has to be a little bitchy sort of.
Yeah, Edwina तो always looked like a bitch.
Even I don't get it why she was the diamond of the season.
Why season 2 में
Just
Like a
to,
lot
I
of
think
girls can be the,
the queen
diamond.
selected her because just to find out who was the real
I
Whistledown.
think Queen could have selected Kate but it was that कि Kate doesn't wanted to get married so
Yeah, I think. Huh.
Even Eloise can be the diamond because she is
Yeah,
more
she
prettier.
is very pretty.
Hmm.
I like her. She is very pretty.
She
but
was
उसको भी marriage पसंद नहीं थी ना
still,
Huh.
but if you remember in season 2, she actually impressed the
yeah
queen.
impressed the
Mhm.
She could have been the diamond, but just because Lady Danbury said ki okay, maybe Edwina is the
हाँ,
new
हाँ.
face you need, and you know
Yeah.
you should just leave Bridgerton's, and then
Yeah,
she
yeah.
actually chose Edwina, and it was a disaster. So guys, we are gonna play a Bridgerton quiz. So everyone is gonna ask each other some Bridgerton questions, which are a little difficult, and let's see who wins it.
So, who was the very first person in the show to know about the real Lady Whistledown?
Eloise
Huh?
अरे
Wrong.
oh वो that कस्टमर oh
मैं बताती हूँ.
costume designer
हाँ,
that
वो.
term.
अरे क्या नाम है इसका?
Oh shit. वो costume designer ये ले लो यार कोई नहीं नाम नहीं याद.
नाम क्या है?
यार नाम तो बोलो भाई, ऐसे कैसे कॉस्ट्यूम डिजाइन है? वो तो दो दिखाया था वहाँ पे कॉम्पिटिटिव.
तो थी
हाँ
हाँ,
स्टिल
वो-
मेन तो थी.
कुछ तो था
यार, क्या
नाम.
नाम था उसका. Shit यार
क्या नाम था?
चलो आवर ऑडियंस विल आंसर आई गेस.
Let them guess.
ठीक है.
But इतना सही था मेरा.
हाँ,
थोड़ा
मेरे को
सा.
भी समझ आ
Half
गया.
मेरा सही था.
Okay, so in the first season, what was that specific title that Simon hold?
I can't.
Simon,
Duke.
हाँ.
Duke.
Duke.
कुछ.
Lord.
Duke of Hastings.
Yes.
अच्छा. Hastings. Hastings तो इसका सरनेम है. अच्छा.
But
title
that was
क्या
the
है?
title,
Duke
no?
of
Okay, okay.
Hastings
Because
was the
his
title.
father died and then after
Yes.
he got the title
Yes,
passed on.
Duke of Hastings was.
ठीक है. What was Kate Sharma's dog's name?
Newton.
Right. So, which Bridgerton siblings spend their time pursuing art and attending Royal
Benedict.
Academy? What is the name of the man Eloise had feelings for? In the
Sharp. Mr. Sharp. Something. Thomas Sharp.
Thomas Sharp. Thomas Sharp.
No, not Thomas. Sharp was right.
Sharp. Something Sharp. Mr. Sharp. I'll take it as Mr.
Mr.
Sharp.
Sharp.
It is Sharp.
It's Theo.
Oh,
Theo Sharp.
Theo Sharp. Yes.
I'll get half point.
Yes.
बताओ.
Which color does Penelope famously switch to signify her departure from her
Yeah.
mother's influence?
Blue and lavender. Cooler
Lavender
tones.
था I think. It was
No.
lavender.
No.
Blue. Cooler tones. It
Yellow.
was Yellow तो उसका हमेशा से था.
Yellow, तो after she changed, after
Pinkish cool. It was
from
cool
I think
tones.
season 3, she
में change
changed
हुआ.
her
Green.
all over.
turquoise green.
Yeah, it's
हाँ,
green.
turquoise.
Turquoise green.
Okay, so which influence character act as a mentor and a fairy godmother to both Simon and the Sharma sisters?
Lady Danbury.
Danbury.
Right.
Very intense.
ठीक है. I'm done with my questions.
Oh, which Bridgerton season introduced explicit Indian representation?
Season 2.
Very easy, guys. What was the name of the opera singer Benedict is obsessed?
Sophie. Sophie ऐसी है.
Yeah.
Sophie.
Sophie Packet. What is the first place Anthony and Kate are ever alone together?
Horse
Horse riding.
in a jungle.
Yeah. Forest. you can say.
Yeah.
What is the name of the Featherington cousin who tries to inherit their estate?
Lord.
Lord.
Featherington. Featherington.
Featherington.
Hmm.
Obviously.
Yeah.
Obviously, Simone.
Yeah.
Jack Featherington.
Okay.
Featherington.
I'm not good with names.
Okay, so what color dress does Daphne wear when Simon first notices?
Silver.
No.
White silver.
No, it was powder blue color,
Light.
light blue. Yes.
What false belief does Daphne initially have about Simon's inability to have children?
She thought he must be having some sort of disease or he can't do
Yeah.
Yeah, like he was disabled.
it. Disabled.
Disabled,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah, incapable.
Very
of,
funny था
Incapable.
वो, बहुत funny था.
incapable of
Incapable
doing
of doing it. Yeah.
it. Okay. Which Bridgerton sibling is the first to openly question society's obsession with marriage?
Eloise.
Okay. Which Bridgerton sibling helps Anthony realize his feelings for Kate, though through conversation rather than confrontation?
Daphne.
Correct. Okay. What specific childhood event in the root of Anthony's fear of loving deeply?
I think because he saw his
father's
father
death,
dying
yeah.
in front of him. So that was
Exactly. Okay. What activity repeatedly places Anthony and Kate alone together before their feelings are acknowledged? Correct. Who exposes Marina Thompson's pregnancy secret to Lady Whistledown?
Her maid or her mother.
It was a trick question.
Oh.
Okay. What comment by Colin deeply hurts Penelope at the end of season 2?
He said, I can't marry her. I'm
Yeah.
not interested in her.
Yeah, never quote her.
Never quote her.
Okay. Which Bridgerton sibling gives the speech at Daphne's and Simon's wedding breakfast?
Daphne's and Simon's breakfast.
Wedding
Very
breakfast. Yeah.
Benedict.
Anthony. Okay. Uh, who are the first two Bridgerton siblings shown in season 1, episode 1?
Daphne.
Colin and Anthony.
Eloise.
Okay, let the audience guess this one. Okay, that's it from my side.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, so
That
now
was good.
yeah, it was good. Okay, so let's now react to some of the famous romantic scenes and see who is our favorite couple. I know our favorite couple is
Yeah,
Anthony and Kate, but
Yes.
okay, let's rank all the romantic scenes and let's see how it goes.
To meet a beautiful woman is one thing, but to meet your
I'm
best
sold.
friend, the most beautiful woman is something entirely.
Yeah, I am emotional right now. Okay, so I think that this was one of the beautiful scenes of Daphne and
Yeah.
Simon when he actually confessed, and Daphne was actually confused whether he's saying
For
like,
the queen to
like-
understand, or maybe for her.
yeah, because is he lying or is he saying
Yeah.
the truth? And she is just like, oh my god, what if it's true? And
But the line he said, it's very
I
beautiful.
don't think so.
I-
ये fake कर सकता है कोई तो
Yeah.
Daphne उस time पे वो
yeah,
सोच नहीं
obviously
पाई.
Simon ने बाद में उसके बाद बोला तो था कि whatever I said in front of Queen, that was all
That's
true. But
Very.
these are very cute and very प्यारे से couples, I would say.
Yeah.
This was very intense.
Yeah,
Yes.
I
Very
love the
intense.
fact when he says that okay, I always think about you when I'm asleep and I can only find you while sleeping. Like I will prefer to sleep because I want to find you. Like that is such. I don't know if it is a romantic thing or, you know, for me it is romantic thing. I would
And
say.
I think even Penelope wanted this
Obviously she is rooting
in every
for
season.
them
In
since
every
episode
season.
1.
She was waiting for this very moment.
Yeah, she was actually shocked. Okay, but Colin, we are friends. What are you talking about? We are friends, and he's like, oh my god.
Because उसको लगा नहीं था ना कि ऐसा actually में
Yeah,
होगा उसके life
but-
में.
yeah,
Don't you think Colin took such a
long
long
time.
time to
Yeah.
like realize this?
but indeed they make a very perfect pair.
Very perfect.
Yeah, they
And I think Colin is very caring
huh.
towards her. Very.
even when he
Hmm.
was in love with this Miss Thompson.
Yes, at that time.
Us time
also
pe bhi he was okay.
very-
Let's get married.
True.
I want to see. I want to protect
He was
this
always
woman.
caring towards Penelope.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
It is so.
This is my favorite scene. ये very
Oh
long.
god, like the intensity, the
Intensity,
love, the
yeah.
sexual tension both of them has is amazing. It's insane. Oh my god. I need a
A
minute
very
to
calming feeling.
yeah. I think they have a very they
I'm
have a
feeling
very
hot.
sexual tension. Yeah,
I
you
just need my
I
fan.
think I think they
It's hard.
both brings out the best
yeah.
in both of them.
But in this scene, it is a very weird sexual tension both of them have because she's like, okay,
Even
I'm
Kate
gonna.
was like, what is happening?
Yeah, I'm gonna go to India and he thinks, okay, is there any corner you can go without,
I wanted to see more of them.
And-
yeah, but
Yeah.
I
I think
think
she actually felt something in that
Yeah,
moment.
this is a very pure couple, I would
Yeah.
say. A very pure, a very sweet, like a very teenage type of a romance
Yeah.
they give.
Yeah.
But I'm
Right.
very sad because their story actually abruptly ends. I don't
It
know
was just for
where
some-
is Sharp.
Yeah.
Are they still gonna talk? Like in season 3, you just see Louise just switch to okay, I'll be a lady. I have to accept the society norms.
Yeah.
I don't know what that switch caused. What happened between
Mhm.
both of them?
Faded quickly,
Yeah.
actually.
No one gave us an ending. I was actually rooting for this couple. It is a very sweet couple.
वो teenage romance वाली feeling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I urge the Bridgerton directors to actually bring this couple back.
That actually.
Yes, soon as possible.
But now they are showing a different angle, I guess. Now
Yeah.
they're
Something
season
Sir, something Sir. We have to check about it.
yeah.
They are bringing a new character for Eloise.
I think Miss Thomas' husband, I guess.
I watched this scene twice because there was something very odd about this scene.
Yeah,
she was
why-
fumbling a lot.
Why
I don't know
she was
why.
from?
Is there anything in this?
So
scene?
basically, according to the books, they say that Francesca is actually
No
they
way.
fall in love with her husband's cousin. But in books, it's a man.
What?
But they have changed the gender,
way.
so it's Michelle, and they are
I
gonna
don't
bring-
want that angle.
Yeah, I think like in
Oh, God.
season 6, they are gonna predict that Francesca and her like his cousin are gonna be together, and her husband is gonna die. So that's why if you
Oh.
see, there is a very soft romantic tone
हाँ.
going on because
मतलब, yeah.
it is the first love infatuation she is getting, like she is over with all the emotions
हाँ.
because obviously she has not felt this way. So
तभी she was fumbling a lot,
exactly.
telling her name as well, which is very
It's
weird.
it's
So,
it's
I
shown
think
like a
there's
love at
something.
first sight sort
Yeah.
of thing.
love it.
So this story is actually gonna boom in the next coming season. I'm really excited
हाँ,
for
तभी
them.
they ended this.
Yeah, but because this is a very beautiful couple they would make.
Oh.
Obviously, I want a man who just smells the air I am in, who breathes
I think
me.
Bridgerton has
And like,
something.
look at
Look
Simon.
Simon,
And
yeah.
then Daphne's
Where is your
reaction.
fan? Give me the fan. Like,
And
oh
then
my
Daphne's
god.
reaction. Oh, God.
Oh. Bro,
Hi. He's
Bro.
hot.
Very hot.
this is something.
Wrestling session with a बहुत
But I was expecting him on season 2, yeah.
Yeah,
He just left.
why did
Why
you quit?
he-
Why did you quit? You should have continued.
We
Like-
want Simon back.
Yeah, like we should file a petition to like.
Bring Simon.
I actually did. I can relate with her. She is me.
Expression is so cute, yeah.
Everything I expected. Horrible and terribly boring. Young lady can never have too many dresses. I do not share my food.
They actually grow up.
Actually, it's like my 2026 journey till now. I think this is me in 2026. Like, too much Anthony is something? No, we can have too much Anthony.
He's very hot, yeah.
Like,
I mean, just look at him.
yeah, like his things.
Even he is very hot. Benedict
God,
Benedict
guys.
is-
But I thought he is gay in that very
It's
season.
sad.
In
In
season
season
1.
one.
Even in season 2, I thought that.
Season
He's
2,
gay.
But now season 4 is about them.
And
I
season,
have no clue.
even season 3 में ending मतलब बीच में जो हुआ था about Benedict, that was very
Mostly,
weird.
yeah, it was a threesome, but mostly he was
Yeah.
involved with Sophie.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I think
yeah,
he
yeah.
was just exploring his life.
Exploring, and then he wants to dwell in a Cinderella.
I
Yeah,
think now in season 4 it would be about him only.
yeah, it is about being Cinderella.
He's very cute actually.
He is actually hot as
Hot
well.
as well.
Sometimes he gets hot, and he is one of the funniest characters
Funniest,
Yes.
after
actually.
Eloise. Like, I remember when he gets that, he has that tea of, he gets high or something, and then he just paints and he just talks. He is a very good panda energy vibes.
He's very chill as well. मतलब उसको बस explore करना है life.
Yeah, I think he gives the panda energy. See, he gives the panda energy vibes for sure. His spirit animal is a panda.
How cute.
Exactly.
I just heard the news that his grandmother is from India.
Yeah,
He's
I
quarter
also saw
Indian.
that,
He's
yeah.
quarter Indian. He
Oh my
told
god.
in his interview that
Interview,
he's
yeah.
quarter
Sold.
Indian. Now I see where he's getting his genes from.
from.
Obviously,
Yes.
India.
A woman's pleasure is somewhat more subtle than a man's. You see, when he inserts himself,
Inserts himself. Inserts himself where?
Oh my god.
what on earth do you and Mr. Finch do?
You kiss, and then he makes an odd sound, and then he goes to change his britches.
His
British woman. Awesome.
Of course.
Why must I be punished over and over?
I guess this is one of the
hilarious. Saying
yeah.
it just makes an
I
odd sound.
guess this is one of the most hilarious scenes I have ever watched. Like when he inserts himself. Yeah, and she's like, insert where? Oh my god. I like this actually shows that there was a lack of sex education at that time.
Yeah.
It was.
Like in
That's
the
true.
whole series, you can see that women are clueless how they are pregnant, how they get pregnant, and what is the afterlife of
Even after
marriage.
marriage, they don't know about
Yeah,
how
yeah.
pregnancy occurs.
They both are
That is
married.
very weird. I mean,
People should give them some sex
sex
education.
education. It is necessary.
Might be they are very young. I guess they're the moment they get married. I guess they how
18,
old?
19.
18 to 19.
Yeah, but even if they are getting married, they should be knowing about sex
Before
education.
marriage,
Before marriage,
at
it is
least
very
they
important.
should tell.
That
how it is.
also it shows how the mother was very she was not comfortable
Obviously,
Obviously.
uncomfortable
My
to talk
mother
about
will not be
Same,
comfortable.
not mine.
Please don't watch it.
yes.
How does a lady come to be with child? Eloise, what a question. I thought one needed to be married. Whatever are you talking about? Apparently it's not even a requirement. Eloise, that is more than enough.
Avoiding the conversation.
Daphne, please, you were playing so lovely. Go on. I take it the two of you? No?
Do not look at me. Have you ever visited a farm? No.
I do hope the two of you are not encouraging improper topics of conversation.
Not at all, ma'am.
That was a double meaning.
She's the vibe.
Take our
She's
sticks
the
out.
vibe.
Colin Bridgerton, the
how
wonderful
when
shit.
it says Colin
Colin Bridgerton.
we are gonna take our sticks out. It's just oh my god, the whole family is chaotic and funny.
Very
I would
chaotic,
say
very chaotic.
everyone is in
Even
peace
Violet
item.
is chaotic.
Yeah.
Very
I
chaotic.
do love Violet. Like her new brooming romance is something.
Oh, yes. It was
With,
very
Marcus.
intense as
Yes.
well.
With Marcus, I want to watch
Their
that.
ball
as well.
dance was very good.
Yeah,
the
in the
end.
last episode.
Huh.
I
We'll get
really
to see
want
more
see.
in the this fourth season, I guess.
Yeah,
There should
I-
be more.
I want them to explore more. So, what do you think? Like, what will be the things in season 4? Like, what are we expecting from season 4? A lot of
I
romance.
think I need to see Benedict and Eloise more in season 4.
Yeah, definitely.
For sure.
Definitely.
Eloise, so yeah, I want her to be in that season. And her love story as well.
Yeah.
She will be, I guess, because
Because season
she's
5 is about Eloise.
Eloise, yeah.
So I want to see, but I want to see more about Penelope because how after being the Whistledown and now
Yeah.
everyone knows about her Lady Whistledown being
Yeah.
the Whistledown, how the story continues because everything she is now gonna write on the paper, people will be
People
like,
will
okay, Pen has written it, Pen
Yes,
has written
yes.
it, and they will blame her. So how the makers are gonna
Saying
make
that.
this?
Hmm.
I want to actually see that story.
And also, I want to see how Queen reacts to with
Whistledown's
newspaper.
Yeah.
What are the topics? Will it be a little bit of manipulation or what?
Yeah, I love the Tom and Jerry equation between
Whistledown
Queen and
Queen.
I
But
love.
I think Penelope took it very in a very good way. जब
Yeah.
वो stage पर आई थी, her confidence built it up in that moment.
Exactly.
Earlier, she was very uncomfortable with her voice, even her skin, as in her body language as well. But
Even when
she got revealed, तब
Eloise get to know about her, like she's the
हाँ,
Lady Whistledown, then
हाँ.
she strongly stand like I did this. Yes, I took a step. I went
These were
through-
my reasons.
These were my reasons. And what you did, you are still doing nothing.
Yeah, I think she was like a person who actually became a revolution in women's world.
Exactly.
That okay, women can be independent.
Yes.
Women can also work
At
in
least she
society.
earned money
Yeah.
through her newsletters.
Yeah. So it
And
was a
you know
big
that
thing.
moment when Colin was saying that he'll pay
For the black money.
and Whistledown, Penelope was like, I'll pay for that. I've earned that much.
Yeah, that was such a feminism movement. Oh my
Yeah.
god, women empowerment. Go!
Independent girl.
Yeah. So I think I would like to more see that in season 4. And I want to see naked Benedict as well. And shirtless scenes. More of it. something steamy hot should be there.
I hope it will be there. It will be. So you know what? I do have one more game for you guys.
Oh,
Okay, let's go.
wow.
It's a fun one. Just
Okay.
we need to enact their expressions.
Oh. We can do that.
Cute way वाला होना चाहिए.
Who's doing better?
Simon.
मेरा तो चेहरा ही इधर जा रहा है.
Okay, this one. Daphne. Is it a tongue? Yeah.
Is it tongue?
Yeah.
This is Simone, to be very honest.
I'm telling
Every
you,
time.
I am
What's going on?
Eloise coded. I am Eloise coded. I can say it. I'm Eloise coded.
What she's doing? I was like, okay, this way.
Yeah.
ये तो तीनों कर सकते हैं.
Benedict.
Benedict, guys.
This is gonna
Benedict.
be season 4. Like,
Okay.
Us every time.
cute
Us
face.
every time.
When our
I
boss
think
The
says,
queen.
when our boss says, "Have you done your work?" and I'm like. So yeah, I really enjoyed today's conversation about Bridgerton.
Actually.
So this is the end of our very first episode.
And if you love Bridgerton, this is for you.
And if you disagree with us, tell us because
We love chaos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.